How to do it Instagram feed post in a reel. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Scroll down and search for the post that you want to do it. Let's say you want to do it in this post. What you want to do is tap on this three dot at the top right corner. You will find the option of remix. Tap on it. It will land you on this interface where you will be able to do it to this post. Well, in the right part of the screen, you can record the video or simply select it from your gallery. Let me head over to my gallery at the bottom left corner. Let's say you want to add this picture. Tap on the picture that you want to add. Wait for a while for it to process. Once it has been done, you can select more of the photos or the videos from your gallery. This time let me select one video from the gallery. Tap on the video that you want to add. You can also add music to this reel by tapping on this music icon right here. Select any of the music that you want to add, or you can also search for the specific song. Select the part of the song and then tap on Done at the top right corner. Once the music has been added, tap on Next. There you can see that these are the photos and the videos that you have added to this post. You can also edit the video by tapping on Edit Video at the bottom left corner. You can edit those videos with all of those features right here. And once the edit has been completed, tap on this arrow icon right here. And there you go, your reel video is ready to post. Just tap on share and it will be uploaded on your Instagram feed and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can do it Instagram feed post in a reel. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.